there, April of Yes to Next here with my mom, 𝐄𝐦𝐚𝐢𝐥.
Hi.
And Mochi, at least for the time being. And in this video, we're going to focus on the pelvic floor. Good thing we're on the floor, right, Mom?
No pun intended.
Yeah. All right, and the pelvic floor is part of your core. It's not talked about often because you really can't see your pelvic floor. Okay, so if you think about your torso as a box, so with your diaphragm on the top, you know, the front is your abs here in front, the back is your back muscles, and then at the bottom, that would be your pelvic floor. And if you think about, if you put your fingers in a triangle like this, that's kind of what your pelvic floor kind of looks like, and it goes from your pubic bone to your tailbone, and it's basically just at the bottom of your pelvis. And the word pelvis means basin in Latin, so it's like a bowl. Your pelvic floor is at the bottom of this bowl, and it's important for all types of functions, like it supports your bladder, it supports your bowels, it supports, in women, your uterus, and it's also important, you know, for sexual function.
That's another video.
But we're not going to get into that.
Yeah, we're not getting into that.
We're not getting into that today.
That's a different video.
But it's very important, right? And so if you have a weak pelvic floor, what could happen is, you know, if you cough, if you sneeze, you know, you might have some leakage, if you know what I mean.
Oh yeah.
Right? And we all don't want to have that. And so it's really important to strengthen these muscles, and it's never too late, and you're never too old to strengthen these muscles.
That's right.
So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to focus on the pelvic floor and strengthening these important but never seen muscles. They're very hard to find.
It's just for men and women, right?
Absolutely, for men and women. Yes, yes. And as you know, different things in your life can affect the strength of your pelvic core, including pregnancy, you know, gynecological or prostate operations, or, you know, even menopause. So those things can weaken your pelvic floor. So that's why we need to strengthen it. And so today we're going to go through just an exercise to identify where your pelvic floor is, and then a few exercises that you can do to strengthen them. Okay? So we'll take a quick pause here, and we'll get started on the other side. So the first thing we want to do is to identify where our pelvic floor muscles are, to feel them. We can't see them. And one way to do this is to imagine that you're stopping the flow of urine if you're going to the bathroom, right? So you have to hold it in, right? And then release. Those are your pelvic floor muscles working. Same thing if you like hold in if you're like feel like you're in a past wind, to be diplomatic, right? You're just gonna hold it in.
We all have done that, folks. We all have done that.
As you can see, this is a very delicate topic, and it's not easy to talk about, but we all have to face these things, right? Right, so imagine either of those two situations and just kind of like squeezing and pulling in. Yeah. Those are your pelvic floor muscles working. Yeah, okay. All right, and then releasing, okay? And, you know, in the U.S., these are known as Kegels, too.
Everyone's heard of Kegels.
Yeah, in the U.S. here, but around the world, they're your pelvic floor exercises that we do. Okay, so what we want to do is actually that motion is what we want to work on here. Okay, Mom. Okay. So we want to lay on our back, or you can do this seated too. Okay, so seated or laying on your back. Imagine you are, again, pulling in and squeeze it in for 3, 2, 1, and release. And we want to do this 10 times, okay? Okay. So let's pull it in. Yes, inhale.
And hold it.
2, 3, and release for 3. 2, 3, it's 2. Okay, pull it in. And release. And pull in. And release, and keep going, Mom. This is number 4, okay? What you want to make sure is that you're not tightening up your buttocks or your belly. It's all about just focusing in on these muscles, okay? All right, where are we at? 6. Okay, pull it in. 3, and relax. And pull in. Squeeze in and relax and breathe. And pull it in. And relax. And let's just do one more.
Okay.
Pull in. And relax.
All right.
Okay. So, again, did you feel that muscle? We can't see it, but did you feel it?
No, you could feel it.
Okay.
It's a natural function, really, when you think about it.
Yeah. Okay. So you want to aim to do 3 sets of those in one day. Okay. And to try to do them every day. That's exercise 1.
Now this you can do standing in line.
You can. Absolutely. You can totally do that standing in line.
No one will know what you're doing.
Right. That's right. That's right. You're strengthening your pelvic floor in the grocery store.
That's right.
That's awesome. Okay, so since we're in this position already, we're going to go right into our second exercise, which is the glute bridge.
Okay.
Okay. And so our knees are up, right? And we're going to pull our belly button in.
Yep.
Okay. And we're going to lift our hips off the ground.
Okay.
Okay. And lower. Good. Just hold for 2 seconds. Let's go for 10. We're working our glutes, our thighs, and also working that pelvic floor here too. Okay. So up. 2 and down and relax, okay? And bring it up and down. Good. Lift up. Engage your pelvic floor. Feel that same motion that we just did, okay? And down. Relax. Okay, squeeze up. Down. Okay, this is 5. Up. Breathe. Down. Let's do 5 more. Can you do 5 more? Okay, good. This is 5. And down. Very nice. And up. And down. Let's do 3 more. Here we go. Up. Breathe. Down. 2 more. And up. And down. And 1 more. Up. And down and relax. Whew, very nice. Okay, just relax here, okay? Take a breath.
Yep.
Okay, you might want to grab your knees here, give yourself a nice little back massage. I'm giving you a little extra thing here. Very nice. Okay, breather. And our next move is basically going to have our knees bent here, okay? This is called a tabletop move, and I want your shins to be parallel to the floor. And you want to like really press your lower back into the floor, okay?
Yeah.
And all we're going to do is we're going to pull our knees apart and then in, okay? Out and in, breathe. Out and in, out and in. And just do as many as you can. These can be hard.
Yeah, your legs start to feel a little heavy, yeah.
Out and in.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to do 3 more. Okay. You don't have to. You can stop if you want.
Okay.
Yeah?
I'm going to stop.
And 3. Good.
Okay.
And 2. And
Going
1.
at mom's pace.
And rest. And bring your knees down. What's that?
That was my pace, mom's pace.
Mom's pace. Very good. Very good. Okay, I'm just going to let you breathe here for a second. Those were pretty taxing. Take a breath because we're going to roll on our side and we're going to do the bird dog. Okay? So I'm going to roll on our side. Okay, take a breath. Okay, good job. Okay, so this next and last exercise is called the bird dog, and I'm going to demonstrate the full advanced move so you can see what that looks like, okay? This is engaging your entire core, but also great for your pelvic floor, okay? So it's basically 1 arm and 1 leg straight out.
Wow.
Woo, I know. You want to keep your hips level and down when you do this move, okay? Next, find everything in alignment.
Viewers that can do it.
Yeah, okay, that's the advanced move, okay?
Right.
That's what we're aiming for.
Okay.
But if we're
the beginner move?
Beginner move is this. Okay, so feet,
mom's move.
knees. Yes, mom's move is knees, hip distance apart. Okay.
Yeah.
Wrists underneath the shoulders. Okay. Very good. And so neutral back. Okay. Okay. Very good. And just want to lift 1 arm up.
Okay.
And then down. And the other arm up. And down. Okay. Let's do 4 more on each side. This is 4. Good. And 4. Good. breathe. 3 and 3. Good. 2 and 2.
Okay.
Okay. And 1 and 1. Okay? Good job. Now, if you were advanced, you could be doing this the whole time, the whole advanced move and down, okay? Alternating and down, okay? If you are advanced, okay? Okay, next beginner move is just the legs though, okay? So this is, let me demonstrate. Just gonna push that leg out and back. Keep those hips level, okay? And down. And other side. And down. Let's do 3 more each side. This is 3. Kick it back. And down. Good. Kick it back. That's good. Give me 2 more. This is 2. Good. Keep those hips level. 2. And 1 more set. And 1. Good. And 1. And down and rest. Nice work. You can even go into child's pose from here if you like. Stretch it out.
Thank you.
Okay, good. So gently go on to your side here. Good work. All right, so nice work on doing these pelvic floor muscle exercises. How are you doing there, Mom? Getting a good
I'm
stretch?
holding on to the floor.
Good, well, I hope these are helpful. It's a very important muscle group to exercise. So thank you for joining us. If you like this video, please give us a like, share a comment, and subscribe to our channel. We look forward to seeing you real soon. And in the meantime, keep moving.
See you soon.